Hey guys, this is my entry for Olaf 177. So here it goes. Now I am the deck spectator and I should select any card from the deck. They selected Jack of Diamonds, okay? Now I'm gonna list the deck and they could put the Jack of Diamonds right in the center. Okay, so now the Jack of Diamonds is in the center, right? Well, now I'm just going to shuffle the deck. Okay, so I'll shuffle. Right, so now bring the camera over here. Alrighty. Was that your card? Let all the cards drop onto the floor. This is the one card that stayed up there. Thank you for watching, and I hope I win.